저는 네덜란드 공무원에 가면서 네덜란드 공무원에 가면서 네덜란드 당황한 정보를 마시는지.
Ja.
가만히. 아, 중에 루숨숨 뒤로지. 아니, 지금, 딴 얘기나 지금, 대부지 연구래. 람사야로 마요지 미만한 것도 간주다도 검정 건조이. 아니, 간주 가리가리 세다 지기. 가리가리 세다 지기. 다들 미만한 것도 다 흙 맞아라지. 아, 담보대로 수야. 피수대로 결정 자리 지로지.
아니 되네요 지금.
Thank you.
Tibet! Tibet is not!
Part of China!
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 Tibet is not!
Part of China! sleeping. You have no. Chinese government lies. Tibetan lies. Chinese government lies!
Djibouti days!
Chinese government lies!
Djibouti days!
Chinese government lies!
Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop killing! Stop genocide! Stop genocide! Stop genocide!
Est-ce que vous voulez un peu, on va marcher un peu, après on va commencer. Voilà. On arrête là,
Genocide! What we want, we want freedom. What we want, we want freedom. What we want, we want freedom. Free Tibet, 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 free Tibet. Phalanxi, Phalanxi, Phalanxi.
Fatherland and threaten their livelihood to deforest, pollute and ruin all they cherish till the once natural beauty of their landscapes perish. Just hear my cries as I'm down on my knees. Tell me why no country intervenes in the Tibetans' plight to preserve human rights as they stand and they fight at the cost of their lives. My heart's aching, breaking, I'm begging you please. Just tell me why no country intervenes. Look me in the eyes and try to explain it. Why no free nation steps up to contain us. Just tell me why no Western country intervenes. Make me understand what this all means. There's the US, UN, India, and all others. There's a massacre going on. Help us, the French are diplomatic ties and make us realize what saves lives. Where's the US? Where's the UN? Where's India? Tell me.
Perona, Liman sama Jabla Perona Shui, Ani Talana Matsu, Kaja Dijiki, Tada Shua, Tara Mutil Shurana Shui. Ani Dinjaki, Dinjaka Bio, the Sama Matera Shui. Mimazo Sena Shui, Latis, Yapsi Karuna.
We want freedom! What we want! We want freedom! What we want!
Nous considérons la vie humaine est très précieuse. Donc personne qui arrive à ce moment-là est vraiment un appel de secours. D'autre part, nous sommes ici aussi à interpeller l'ensemble de l'Europe en disant que l'Europe se doit activer pour pouvoir soulever en masse pour interpeller les institutions européennes et qui va recouvrir un peu dans la relation bilatérale quand tu parles de réfléchir, soulever la question du Tibet et voilà cette question du Tibet par la vie.
Alors justement, la solution, elle est politique, vous appelez
Tanda 보통 그 가나 그 삽질이 찹스니까 찹스 콜라스나 돈만 나고 송비 이런 거.
French Revolution.
la position de évidemment, il privilège le dialogue sino-tibétain sur la base des droits de l'homme et mettre en avant la demande d'une véritable autonomie pour le peuple tibétain. Donc, on a pas la reprise du dialogue sino-tibétain. Aussi, d'autre part, la France et la terre, la liberté, dans cette devise, la liberté est vraiment au cœur de vous. Un cadre ou avec le drapeau?
Partager avec nous ce soutien à la cause tibétaine. Aujourd'hui, comme vous le savez, c'est une journée de mobilisation européenne. De nombreuses communautés, de nombreux Tibétains sont venus d'un peu partout, de toute l'Europe, de la Suisse, de la Belgique, de la Norvège, du Danemark, de l'Espagne, de l'Allemagne, je l'ai dit, je crois, enfin bon, de l'Italie.
Merci Catherine. Tashidele, hello everybody. So I will do the English part of in the translation. I'm working for the International Campaign for Tibet in Brussels, and I'm very honored to be with Catherine, who is a very well-known French journalist. She's also expert in Buddhism, in Dalai Lama. She has written books about the issues, so we are very grateful to have you with us. Today is the celebration of the 10th March 59 commemoration and the uprising in Lhasa. We are very grateful to have Tibetans from all over Europe, from so many different countries, traveling from far away by buses, some during the night. So I know you are, for some of you, very tired, but I think it's great to have such many big crowd today in Paris. We will also celebrate today the 80th birthday year of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and it's a great honor to have everybody today here. So we would like to have now a few words of introduction by Thupten Gatso, who is the chair and the president of the Tibetan community in France, and I pass the floor to him. Thank you, Thupten.
Thank you.
Chilo Nieton Chonga, Europe, Bodun language Chimo, Dendeji, Europe Boru Tokwan, Sokso Sondo Toache, Tochugo, Gondon Tara, Talo France, Jessa, Paris La, Europe Jacob, Chongale, Pepe Pomida, Pochu Toko, Europe Bodun Jakirwa, France Yim Kamamach, Halam Tichik, La Neva de Zombatella, and Toma, France Boru Toko, Santonire, and Europe. Both language Chimbu Koduk Sochang and Deti Bebe, Sabjina Tamala Tamde Tashidila Shui. Tandag Europe both language Chimbo Dindaji Pegoyala, Jimsang Samshu Yoshuain, Jimsang Tangote, Bonang Zadag and Nedang, Hajang Sabchimbo, Ajanak, Bomi Ji Messer Jivig, Bok Region d'Ambi Soarola, Martanche, Halama Masata Jurvi, Marjo Ranga, Tanemibi, Tapjuvig Nezun the Chavala, Divu Love Ji Rangla, Chugula, Pomu Jada Simtu Sotak, Haka, Sosuga Tamjur Motherumbuchi, Starumbuchi, Mila Dunche, Po Mimala. Rangon Gu, Jangon Jao Tamje Chimbi, Payupo Kanjala, Shun Chiku Gozine, Botek Dacha Kanta, Popa, Jada Simju Sotik Dusa, Jechu Pau Pomoto Suga, Chapsik Jachim Jayore, Tinda Sosa Jachim Tilangato, Europe Nyamdir, Euro Nyamdin no Yobi Somi Jacob Sosolane, Terong Lingo Detawachi Peje, Euro Pota Nyamdu Yo, Bonong Mimanzo, Rangon Tapsula, Euro Jomanga Japtur Yota, Dalan of Sarwich, Korea Chetang Auto Lingo de Pebre, Jimson Tango the team. Jimson Nivati. Janata, Ponik Baruk, Kangate, Chapsik Kangaji Yembre. Savi, Lurjita, Tartik Netala, Tata Mandawa, Young Cigarette, Young Chocore, a Yuga Cherry, Yunza, a Jabuk Jumona, the Kachimboja, Wanzi Yota, Terungo, Yoru Botan Lingo Chimbela, Mitrichila Lava, they never did Zomje. Gundung Zoe Jana, Jean La Junju Chigu Mare Maranzo, Consa Changurum Bucha, Mixa Katsap, Pomi Katsa, Pomi Wiboma Jizaka Katsapta, Jana Jonka Katsapara, Potung, Jabuga, Tromashi, Troma, the Chassa Yonala, Boka Chia Chatere, Te Jimsa Niwai. Jimson Sambade, Dolo, Consa Changun Jao Tamjan Chimbi, Gonda Jachir Gigiore, Devi Lord Tukchirala, Pomon, and a Timi Jivi Tatapta, Jam Yanjiga, and a Koriola Uti Cheche, Poker, Rangon Tapsuti, Timi Jivi Tone, Tanda Utanache, and an answer, Quatin Timchilla Tinosoyako, Kokapchita, Tela Jimsa Samiora. Consa Choco, Bojun Dantala, Remike, Tachu Pilche, Tati Chala, Bojun Nantango, Lachin Soco Parola, Tamsa Sama Yobati, Consa Control Chixua, Chimbo Choco, Zaji Chok the Cherwajla, Monzina Choco Yosio. Nivati, Zambo Long, Jibdi Tola, Consa Choco, Tuka, and Tamja Sujla, Monzanaje. Jarombo Kasakala Chipshin Nanja, Chulugum Damang Paru, Mirig Damang Paru, Deka Paru, Damang Paru, Lantim Paru, Damala, Tomo Naya, the Kachimbo Seje, Zamlon Jibdela Pembi, Lapchin Zajik Jayo Reshayin. Tamati Dandangazo, Pokang Jonga, Consa Changun Jumbuchi, Control Chikjo, Chimbuko, Pokanjala, Maxake, Lapchin Jaja Karujayoresna. Kangjong Poker, Seshong Lamligdi, among the Tatangela, Georgia, and Newton Chick New Zante, Lo Jibjala Navy, Jonsa Garden Potonga Song Jigdirje, among Zugo One, Damtom Jubige, Gutusala, Poker Song Stitaba Yinza, and Tangsanga, among Zo Rangan, Danyam Zevana Zambola, Tacha Chevi. Poker Chisote, take a lamb color, Chiktaba Santa, Poker Tola, Ulana Mipi, Gotre, Changunja, Tamjan Chimbila, Gonta Jajet Pepatana, Europe, Puruk Soma, Potter Jajro Samakana, Gonta Jajet Pevela, Jarobo, Curtain Tilachiala, and Muxaka Samra Tashi de la Shui. Tibet has three objectives. The first, to highlight the current dramatic situation in Tibet. UNO! 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 UNO!
Sangye Judan Tsoge Chonamala Chanjo Bardo Dane Gyazonje Dagi Jinzon Gebe Sonamangi Gola Benje Sange Gowarajo Sange Juda Tsoge Chonamala Chanjo Badon Dane Yazonje Dagi Jenzon Gebe Sonamangi Gola Benje Sange Novara Shoy
Yeah. Dona como se